Okay, guys, so now we're gonna use our 2-for-1 counters like we've been doing, but we're gonna follow with our heaven six that we just practiced. Could you use standard six, earth six? Absolutely. Can you start to make your own stuff up? Absolutely. But for right now, for the sake of structure, I want you to try to use just the heaven six. Again, if you're a little bit more advanced, you've done this a little bit more before, work through all of them. Work heaven, work standard, work earth, try to cycle them, okay? So we're gonna start from this diamond shaped position in the front. Remember, I said this last video, I like this here because it allows me to play open, allows me to play kind of closed a little bit easier. So I'm kind of in the middle. I'm a little neutral, right? So now when the angle one were to come in, I'm going to take the step back. I'm going to meet the force of the right stick. I'm going to return with the wood tick. That's our 2-for-1. I'm going to chamber. I'm going to follow the six count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. One more time. I step back. I hit. I would tick and I chamber. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so we're going to start with all the forehand strikes first. When the angle 3 comes in, I step back. I hit it. I would tick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sorry, follow that. Having 6. Angle 5 comes in, I step out. I would tick back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so on the forehand side, the angle 1 comes in. I hit it, I would tick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 3 comes in, I step back. I hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 5 comes in, I step out. I would tick back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, now if the angle 2 and the 4 were coming in, I would use my left stick. So I would step out of the way. I attack with the left stick. I would take back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, starting on the right side now. So again, the angle 2 comes in. I meet it. I would take back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, if the angle 4 come in, that would be the horizontal strike on this side. I step out and I meet it, and I hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, one more time. Angle 2 comes. I hit it. I would take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I meet it. I would take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, I've isolated the right side, so the 1, 3, and the 5 with the forehand side. If I isolated the strikes coming from my left, which would be the 2 and the 4. Now I'm going to go back and forth. So when the 1 comes in, I step back and I hit. I follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2 comes in, I step back and I follow 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 3 comes in, step back and follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 comes in and I hit. 5 comes in, I step out and I hit. Right, so you want to be able to cycle from left to right and right to left. Okay, so play with these. And again, if you're more advanced, mix in the standard 4, or sorry, standard 6 and earth 6 as well.